Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 10, the Harappan legacy. So the Harappan civilization, it flourished with well-planned cities and lived an organized way of life, right? So how did the people to the civilization sustain themselves? What occupation did they engage in and why and how did the once prosperous civilization eventually decline? भाई धीरे-धीरे क्यों decline हो गए? Now, I will tell you about the occupation of the Harappan people and factors that lead to the decline. क्या क्या factors रहा इसका decline होने के वो मैं आपको बताऊं. If we talk about Harappan civilization, ये one of the oldest urban society in the history है and it was developed around 2600 BCE in the Indus River, covering part of present day Pakistan and northwest India. किसको कवर करता है? प्रेजेंट डे पाकिस्तान एंड नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया एंड इट वाज रिमार्केबल फॉर इट्स वेल प्लान्ड सिटीज. तो ये किसके लिए जाना जाता है? वेल प्लान्ड सिटीज के लिए, जो किसको इंक्लूड करती है? इट्स इंक्लूड लेआउट्स, पब्लिक बाथ्स एंड एडवांस ड्रेनेज सिस्टम. The people of this civilization, they are engaged in various occupation from farming to trade and were known for their skills in crafting goods like pottery, jewelry and tools. Despite this advancement, civilization mysteriously declined around 1900 BC. सब कुछ होने के बाद, इतना डेवलप्ड होने के बाद भी क्या हुआ? 1900 BC में डिक्लाइन हो गया. So, let's study about occupation of Harappa people. People followed many occupation here, right? कुछ farmers थे, craftsmen थे, herders थे, weavers, potter, merchants, sculptors. And pottery had reached a very advanced stage over here. It was glazed and carried with various designs. Terracotta seals were found in big numbers and most of the seals जो थी वो कैसे थी? रेक्टेंगुलर थी और स्क्वायर फ्लैट टेबल्स में थी. यहाँ पे शॉर्ट इंस्क्रिप्शन देखने को मिलता है, इंप्रेशन देखने को मिलता है एनिमल्स के. एंड जो क्राफ्ट्समैन है दे क्रिएटेड मेनी थिंग्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टोन्स, शेल्स एंड मेटल्स. हेयर क्लिप्स जो थी वो स्टोन्स की बनी थी. रिंग्स, नेकलेस एंड योर बैंगल्स, इयररिंग्स, इवन बीड्स, दे ऑल वर मेड अप ऑफ स्टोन एट दैट टाइम. Discovery of clay spindles shows that spinners and weavers were there to spin yarn. Right? Now, needles and buttons also found, which shows that people wore stitched clothes. Toys and sculpture making were prominent industries of that time. Animal figurines, statues such as shawl-clad man and other objects were part of this industry. Now, some villagers were farmers who grew crop. Wheat and barley were the main crop. अगर हम main crop की बात करें तो wheat and barley है. We have other crop and pulses and mustard are also grown. A small model of plow proved that the field were plowed at that time. Domestication of animals like cow, horses, oxen, buffalo, sheep continued. Sculptures were also present who made sculptures भी थे बहुत, जिन्होंने आपके स्कल्पचर्स बनाए थे क्ले के एंड ब्रॉन्ज के, विच इज द ब्रॉन्ज डांसिंग गर्ल. ये एक मास्टरपीस था फॉर दिस पीपल. ब्रिक्स का यूज करा गया फॉर ऑल द आर्किटेक्चरल स्ट्रक्चर्स बनाने के लिए, कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के लिए, एंड इट बिकम एन इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रोफेशन. द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, व्हाट इट हैड एन एक्सटेंसिव trade network that supported their economy. The people of different civilizations were engaged in active trade both within their own region and the distant culture. Next is they exported a variety of goods such as carnelian beads which were crafted and decorated by skilled artisan and required special technique to make a shell it a hard material. The Harappan were also known for producing high quality cotton and they likely to trade cotton clothes and textile in neighboring regions. What they did? They exported timber. इन्होंने timber का export करा, ivory का export करा और कुछ food items का export करा. Specific to the food items traded were not entirely clear. In exchange of these goods, Harappa probably imported what? इन्होंने copper का import करा. Why? Because as this metal was not abundant in Indus Valley civilization. Right? The trade routes of Harappan use includes land route, सारे इंक्लूडेड थे, लैंड से भी, रिवर से भी, सीज से भी, राइट. इंडस एंड इट्स ट्रिब्यूटरी व्हाट इट्स प्रोवाइडेड, व्हाट इट्स अलाउ, easy transportation of goods within the region, while sea routes were used for more distant trade. Coastal settlements like Lothal, located in present day गुजरात, यहाँ पे एक डॉकयार्ड होता था जिसको हम किसके लिए यूज करते थे, मैराइन टाइप ट्रेड के लिए, मार्किंग वन ऑफ द अर्लीस्ट इंस्टेंसेस ऑफ इंटेंसिव मैरीटाइम एक्टिविटी. Harappan used these routes to trade with culture. As far as Mesopotamia, objects such as Harappa wares have been found in places like Susha. Trade was not only about goods but also about establishing connection between distant regions. To facilitate trade, Harappan used seals made from soft stone like cetatite and often engraved this animal fragrance in symbol. और जो seals थी ये किसमें help करती थी, to identify goods and traders. They likely had a role in marking goods or indicating ownership. Right? Now, object of daily use in the Harappa. ये कुछ object है जैसे cell bracelet, jar, carnelian and terracotta beads, and you can see the cardinal beads also. Now, culture and symbolic object. ये कुछ culture और symbolic जैसे female figurine, Christ King statue और terracotta statue. Now, we will move to our next topic, that is factors leading to decline. क्या क्या factors थे जो हमें बताते हैं decline of Harappan civilization. So, decline of Harappan civilization कब शुरू हुआ था? It began around 1900 BC. Remains one of the great mysteries of ancient history. Despite its many achievements, including advanced urban planning, skilled craftsmanship, and peaceful society, the civilization gradually fell apart. The well-organized cities were abandoned. Many of the Harappan were believed to have moved to rural areas, which were adapting to a simpler lifestyle. Right? And early theories suggest that warfare and invention. अर्ली थ्योरी क्या सजेस्ट करती है कि जो वॉरफेयर है और इन्वेजन है, दे हैव डिस्ट्रॉयड द सिटीज एंड एविडेंस सजेस्ट दैट हड़प्पन सोसाइटी वाज रिलेटिवली व्हाट पीसफुल एंड डिड नॉट मेंटेन, और इनकी एक बड़ी आर्मी नहीं थी, शांतिपूर्वक काम करते थे ये. एंड मॉडर्न रिसर्च क्या पॉइंट करता है कि हो सकता है कुछ नेचुरल एनवायरमेंटल चेंजेस हो, उसकी वजह से हो गया हो. राइट, अराउंड 2200 BC ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट शिफ्ट लेड टू द रिड्यूस. भाई उन्होंने कहा कि जो ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट शिफ्ट है उसकी वजह से रेनफॉल कम हो गई, उसकी वजह से भी हो सकता है. एंड कंडीशन विच कुड हैव मेड फार्मिंग डिफिकल्ट एंड लिमिटेड द फूड सप्लाई इज एसेंशियल फॉर सस्टेनिंग अर्बन पॉपुलेशन. हो सकता है भाई जब रेनफॉल कम हुई हो तो क्रॉप अच्छे से उगी ना हो, फूड सप्लाई कम हो गई हो, ये भी रीजन हो सकता है. एंड अनदर क्रिटिकल फैक्टर वाज जो सरस्वती रिवर है वो ड्राई अप कर देगी, राइट, एंड लीडिंग टू abandonment of cities like कालीबंगा and बनावली that had dependent on river. क्योंकि ये दोनों cities जो थी कालीबंगा और बनावली दोनों किस पे डिपेंड थे, रिवर फॉर वाटर एंड फॉर एग्रीकल्चर. Some historian believe that natural disaster जैसे earthquake हो गया, floods हो गया, the even spreading epidemic could have impacted Harappan society. Population growth and deforestation. Population growth हो गया और deforestation हो गया, दोनों ने क्या करा, स्ट्रेन करा, रोका रिसोर्सेज को, and changes in the course of Indus River, leading people to migrate in search of safer or more fertile area. Over time, region transport into more arid land and new cities did not reappear in the area until many centuries later. Although the exact reason remains uncertain, decline of Harappan civilization was likely the result of multiple factors. वो क्या क्या हो सकता है, climate change हो सकता है, right, environmental shift हो सकता है, possible natural disaster हो सकता है. Despite the end of its cities, the legacy of Harappa culture, technology and urban planning continued to influence later Indian civilization. So जो archaeology की जो discovery है, it's continued to inspire what? Admiration and pride to the in this remarkable chapter of ancient history. ठीक है, मैंने आपको फैक्टर्स बताए, आपको फैक्टर्स समझ में आएंगे क्या क्या फैक्टर्स हैं जिसकी वजह से हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन का डिक्लाइन हुआ है, राइट. So this is all in this chapter. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying.